Let's draw a rose in few line drawings. So let's see, just follow the steps. Which step I just do one after another. So all these steps, when it's completed, you can see this is going to be a very nice rose flower. So usually every drawing and any types of drawing just follow some sorts of procedures. So if the procedures is correct, then the drawing obviously looks very good. Awesome. So actually all these lines just showing the petals of the rose, and you know everything has a very nice graphics, so that's why you have to follow the regular appearance or the natural appearance of the roses. And if you like to draw following all the procedures, then you can see the drawing is going to be very nice. All right, now I'm going to draw the leaves here. Okay, so you have seen the steps which I followed during my drawing style, and if you want to make it more lively, then you can put some colors. Let's see, we're going to put the pink color on the top of the flowers, so it's like putting some shades. When you put the shades, just put more deeper color along the curved lines, and more softer color if as it progresses to the middle point. So this is how you can make the variations of the lights and shadow. All right, also putting some colors on the right side of the petals. So usually the flower rose, it's a combinations of lots of petals, and each petals looks good, which is of the pink colors. Awesome, very popular flower, everybody likes it, especially during the Valentine's Day and some other days. The love couple, they just exchange their flavors and giving the gift of the roses, especially the red roses are the symbol of love, and it's going to happening for decades, so many years. So that's why this is very popular. So you can see after putting all the shades, the rose becoming very lively, very fundamental. You can see the figures and the drawings. Now let's put the green color to the bottom, and the drawing is going to be completed. Okay, putting some colors for the leaves here. So one for the left side and another for the right side. So this is it, the drawing, very simple. So you can follow the steps and just do the drawing. So I hope you like the video. See you in our next videos. If you are new, please subscribe the channel, and if you are regular, thanks for watching. See you every time we upload a new drawing. If you like to watch more, you can browse through the playlist and select lots of drawings in different categories. So see you again, have a good day.